In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Smartsheet. This is a really useful skill if you're tracking budgets, sales numbers, hours worked, or any kind of data that you want to total quickly. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a formula that adds up an entire column for you automatically. First, open your Smartsheet and look at the sheet where your data is stored. Decide where you want the total to appear. This is usually at the bottom of your column, but it can technically be any empty cell in your sheet. Go ahead and click once on that cell to select it. This is the cell where your total will show up. Now, we're going to type in the sum formula. In Smartsheet, the basic structure looks like this: equal sign, the word sum, then your column range in parentheses. So you'll type sum, column name, column name. Replace column name with the actual name of your column. For example, if your column is called amount, your formula would look like amount, amount. Notice that the column name appears twice, separated by a colon. That tells Smartsheet to use the full range of that column from the top cell all the way down to the bottom. If you're not sure of the exact column name, just look at the column header at the top of your sheet and match it exactly, including any spaces or capitalization. Smartsheet is usually pretty good at helping you autocomplete the name as you start typing. There's also an easier, more visual way to define the range. After you type sum, and before you close the parenthesis, click on the first cell in the column that contains a number you want to include. Then, while holding your mouse button down, drag down to the last cell you want in your total. Smartsheet will automatically fill in the correct range for you based on what you selected. When you're done dragging, let go of the mouse and then type the closing parenthesis. Once your formula looks correct, press Enter on your keyboard. Smartsheet will instantly calculate the total and display it in the cell you selected. Anytime you add, remove, or change numbers in that column, the total will update automatically, so you don't have to redo the math yourself. And that's all you need to sum a column in Smartsheet.